Hi, in this video, I'm going to explain a very important feature for the platform user. This feature helps the platform user to add values to the document right before sending out the document. Let's say you have a document and the document has certain values that requires repeated changes before sending it out because you will be sending it to different recipients at different point of time. So hence, when you create a template, you are going to create a placeholder and this placeholder can be updated by the platform user right before sending it out. And I will be demonstrating you the feature right away. For this purpose, let's upload a document. So this document needs to be saved as a template. Once you have uploaded the document, you have to choose draft as the option to save it as a template. And let's say that this template requires a couple of fields to be updated by the platform user and a signature by the recipient. So these are the two fields that will be updated by the platform user and signature will be updated by the recipient. After adding the field, it is necessary that you choose the field owner. I'm going to use user because a user means the platform user. So now two of these fields are assigned to the platform user. So now I save it as a draft. The signature field will be assigned to the recipient before sending out the document, but not while saving as a draft. So the draft is ready. Now let's choose the draft from select template from existing. This is the document which we created as a draft. So I have chosen the draft. So I'm going to add self as assigner because I am also one of the recipient. Now to update the user field before sending out the document, you have to click on the add field. So as you see, we added two fields. So the two fields are appearing here. So these two fields will be updated by the platform user right before sending out the document. So these fields can be changed every time before sending it out. And this is the field we are assigning it to the recipient. So now the document editing page will be open. So this is the place where you can review the fields again. If you want, you can add some more fields, whichever you think is relevant. Everything is good for us and let's send the document. So now let's finish it. Now let's check the recipient's email. Here we have received the email. As you could see, both the values updated by the platform user is available in this document. So it is, so let's sign and complete the document. So now the document is complete. Once the document is signed by all the recipients, the platform user would receive an email with the download link. So here is the link that what we have received. So click to view the document and download the document. So all the details are present here and the signature is available. Let's click on the download button to download. I hope this video helped you to understand how to add values to the fields before sending out the document. Thank you.